ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Zone 7 ki makhada leiriba KVK singi kumzali singani kunga manga kunga taruki Annual Action Plan ki matangda numit humni chupna chathagadaba workshop hokrai. Imphal samadi THOUBAL KVK da Rural Ethnic Business Incubation Center amamam pilot project waina thamlagani haina ICAR Atari Zone 7 ki Director Dr. AK Mohanty na lauthokrai. ICAR Atari Zone 7 Meghalaya amadi Central Agricultural University Imphal ani na sinduna CAU Imphal da chathariba workshop asi haudopagi thoramda Director Mohanty na makha taraduna leiba asada leiriba KVK singna puthokpa agricultural technology singbo field decision aduna Indian agriculture gi lamda achoba thodang ama lauri haukiba chahi humfutara romasida leiba asigi lau singubagi lamda yamna hena khumang sauksin bangamliba asi KVK singna achoba thodang laurakpagini Adobo KVK sing amadi State Implementing Agency singa gap amadi adumak lairi haiki. Director asana makha taraduna KVK singda set hub amadi quality planting putokhanba KVK singda Rural Business Incubation Center sing pilot mota thambagi thabak paikhatli. Masigi mathakta farm mechanization yahannaba KVK singda custom hiring center thamba Subject Matter Specialist singbo ahenba knowledge upgrade taunaba University amadi Research Institute singda training thaba yauna anoba program kaya paikhali haina phongdoki thoramadu CAU Imphal gi VC Dr. Anupam Mishra Padmasri TH Chawba yauna awang nongpukta leiriba KVK singi mihut sing yauna miyoi kyana saruk yakhi.
Every KVK will have to develop or create a seed hub or quality planting material hub. For this, separately fund has been allotted to each KVK, so that will be a model for the state government, so that tomorrow this seed production scheme, also seed production mechanism will be started in the different farmers field through contract farming mode also. We have now established Rural Agri-Business Incubation Center in a pilot mode at the KVK level. Those will act as a feeder center of the main agri-business institute of the different institutes, and our KVK people.
Thoramaduga Mari Lainana CAU Imphal gi VC Dr. Anupam Mishra na KVK gi Annual Action Plan semba matamda rural amadi border area singda leiriba lomi singi apamba amadi thengnariba khudong chadaba singna yauhanba changi hausi climate change ki oiba chawa khudong chadaba ma lakpa sina lau singu bagi lamdasu chauna chaitheng pirakli Value added production puthokpagi matangda khanaba changbaga loinana agriculture da AI amadi IT tools sing sizinabagi matangda khanabagi matam oire haiki.
We know that we have the space application sector, CIS, remote sensing. Still, we don't have real-time data for yield estimation or area estimation. Sometime in Manipur, people they are telling 30,000 hectare under master. But our state government, they are mentioning only 4,000 hectare in master. Which one is correct, we don't know. We don't have any mechanism to validate our data, to filter our data. What should our policy for getting the real-time data, particularly here, this is very difficult to get some real-time data. Because if we don't have any data accuracy, how we can plan our activity? What is the focus area of our activity?